Hi guys, in this video I will show you a really cool Discord trick how to save any profile image, not just what displayed here, but image in full size. So what you need is open Discord in a web browser, because this doesn't work in application. So open Discord, log into your account, and then in your web browser, I will show you this in Google Chrome, click on three dots and go to More Tools, enable Developer Tools, and in Developer Tools switch to Network tab. In this filter enter Avatar. And now make sure that no throttling is selected in this drop down. After this, refresh the page. And now you can see all profile pictures of users from your chats. So you need to switch to preview profile, not to headers, not to payload, but to preview. And now to save the picture in full size, just click on user profile, then open this profile, and the picture will appear at the bottom, the latest open picture. And you can right click on this picture and save image as, or open a new tab, check the size. And from here you also can save image as and save it to your file system. That's pretty it, guys. I hope this was helpful. If yes, consider to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and be awesome. Bye.